Hey guys, it's Miss Schaefer, and today you're going to be doing another graphic organizer like you did yesterday for Moose Mayhem. This one is on the American Beaver. So it says, click on the link below to watch the video called American Beaver. While you watch the video, take notice of the organism, population, community, and the ecosystem. You'll be filling out a graphic organizer about the organism and its ecosystem. So you'll click on this link here to watch the video. Then on the next slide, it says, drag the pictures on the left to where they belong in the graphic organizer. If you need more copies of an organism, you're going to right click and select copy, then right click again and select paste so you can make new ones. So let me show you. So click on one you want to make a copy of, you right click, and up here right above paste will say copy, and then you click somewhere else, right click and hit paste, and I'll make a copy of it. Okay, I'm going to take that one off. You may not need all the copies, and that is okay too. If you cannot see the pictures on the left side, then zoom out by clicking on the magnifying glass. So let me show you where that is. So right here, there's a magnifying glass. You click on it, and you can change the sizing. Okay, oh, there we go. If you have any questions, please message me through Schoology. Thank you. Bye.